I was not finished. The middle of the answer we stopped due to lack of time. So Prabhupada next he says, "E jagata sabhi guru sevar upakara, sabhi Krishna sevar vastu." In this world, everything are for the service of Guru and Krishna sevar upakaran. Sabhi Krishna sevar vastu. Everything for the service of Krishna. Two sentences. So Guru sevar upakaran. Krishna sevar vastu. Upakaran means ingredients. Whatever exist in this world, everything for the service of Guru. And again is the Sabhi Krishna Sevar Vastu. Everything used for Krishna. Everything for Krishna services. Two things used. First Guru and Krishna. Why? Because Guru, already explained who is Guru. Guru is Krishna's representative. He was chanting, Sakshadaritena samasta sastrai ruktastatha bhavate vasadvi kintu prabhurja priyaye tasya vande gurashi charanarabindam. Sakshad means Sakshad Hari means not different from Hari. Who? Guru. Who says? Samasta Shastri, all the scriptures says. Again, he says, Kintu Prabhurja Priyayeva Tasya. It is said, Guru is non different from Krishna. Right? But why he say Kintu Prabhurja? But Kintu means but, Prabhu means Krishna. Kintu Prabhurja Priyayeva Tasya. Priya means dear. Who's dear? Krishna's dear. Who? Guru. How much Guru is dear to Krishna, that much he has godliness. Not absolutely. If Guru and Krishna are same, then we can see Krishna never become old. Guru become old. Krishna is controller of entire universe. Guru sometimes see Guru unable to control his own temple. So how you can say? Krishna controlling Maya. Sometimes Guru is the trap of Maya. Am I right or wrong? So the Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad telling wrong. It is composed by Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. Is it wrong? How? Because Krishna's mercy will come down to us through Guru. Only this way. Apart from that, everything different. Do you agree for that? Krishna's mercy will come down to us through Guru. In that way we say, Sakshad Haritena. Therefore, Prabhupada says, all Guru Seva Rupakaram. Everything for the service of Guru, whatever we have in this material world. Why? Because Guru Krishna is not different. Then therefore, next Prabhupada says, Sabhi Krishna Sevar Vastu. Everything for the service of Krishna. Guru also servant of Krishna. Guru also servant of Krishna. Because Guru is Shevak Bhagavan, servitor God. He is teaching us how to serve Krishna most precious manner. By example, not like giving some instruction, but he is not following like that. Because Lord Chaitanya, he is Bhagavan, God. And he says, Aponi achari dharmo jivere shikhai, aponi na koile dharmo shikhane na jai. Teachings, spiritual teachings, that time is valuable when we are preaching by example. First we practice, first preserve, then propagate. Nowadays you can see college, school, teacher and student not proper, teacher not keeping respect properly, or a student not keeping respect properly to the teacher, right? Why? Because whatever teacher says, they are not following. I saw in my village school, when I study in my village, teacher says smoking is prohibited in school, but teacher himself in common room sees smoking. In common room means the office room, they are smoking. If I say something to you, first you have to practice. Therefore, Guru should teach us by practice, by example. Therefore, he is Guru. Anyway, Guru Seva Rupakarane Bhog Buddhi hole Mongol hobe na. If we think whatever I have, everything for my enjoyment, then there is no question of make our life auspicious. There is no question to make our life auspicious. If everything Guru Seva Rupakaran for the service of Guru and for the service of Krishna, if we think it is for my service, whatever I have, whatever I am accumulating, it is everything belongs to me and for my enjoyment purpose. Then Prabhupada say, Mongol hobe na. Never ever make our life auspicious. Then is the pratyek bostute Guru darshan na hole amongol anivarjo. Every ingredient, every steps, if you are not looking, it is for the service of Guru. Your Guru means Krishna, who is Krishna's pure devotee. There. Pratyek bostute Guru darshan na hole amongol anivarjo. Means, obviously, everything will be inauspicious. Obviously, everything will be inauspicious. If we are not looking, we are not keeping our vision, everything belongs to Guru services, Krishna services. প্রকৃত শিষ্য ইয়া মর্মে অনুভব করে সতত গুরু কৃষ্ণ সেবাকে জীবন করেন। Real disciples, they are realizing every steps about this, and they make their life and soul is Guru and Krishna service. Guru and Krishna service is the life and soul. You may say, I have two children, right? Nipun, Kirtida. She may say, I have one child, right? Name Chitralekha. If I do everything for Guru and Krishna, how can I maintain them? How can I eat? Right? Actually, we have to properly describe what Prabhupada wanted to say. Prabhupada wanted to say, when you look, when you think, I am for Krishna's. My body for Krishna services. I marry my family for Krishna services. I'm conceiving child for Krishna services. I'm doing business for Krishna services. Everything Krishna's upakaran. Your children, Krishna's service. Krishna's children. Then everything. Now, whatever you do for Nipuna and Kirtida, if they become a real devotee in your future, everything turn out, your all energy turn out for Vaishnava Seva. They are Vaishnava. Am I clear? Nowadays, householders have more opportunity to serve Vaishnava than a sannyasi or renounced person. Why? Hey, look, I'm just simply sitting in my room. Even I want to cook, will you allow me to cook? This is all boundary, all boundary is there. No. If I want to clean this floor, will you allow me to do? But here, if you are not sannyasi, nor renounced, then you can do easily. And when Vaishnavas come, it is considered a Vaishnava Seva. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Vaishnava charitra sarvada pavitra. Always Vaishnava character is pure, purest. Je ninde hingse kori, if anyone out of jealousy criticize them. Bhakti vinod nasham hashetare. Bhakti vinod never appreciate them. Never ever appreciate them. Thake sada mauno dhari. Always become silent. Means what? Whenever we look, people out of jealousy, they are criticizing your devotee, Vaishnava. We should look, if I protest, it will work or not. If it is not working, silent. I left this place. Bhakti vinod na sambhashatare. No sambhasa, no any kind of appreciation. Thake sada mauna. Mauna means silent, become silent. So therefore, we should always think about that whatever Prabhupada says, really you are following or not. Like Devamai is following, right? She is everything used for Krishna services, right? Her body for Krishna services. She is always thinking Krishna, right? No. Who is always thinking Krishna? Show me your hand. Bhagyalakshmi is showing his hand. Always Krishna. Subhadra. No? True or not? Samapriya, Haripriya. Gita Mata. Huh? Who is that? Who is? Yeah. Actually, apana bhajana katha na kaiya jatha tatha. We have to look. Vaishnava always thinking about Krishna. But Vaishnava never say, I am. The who is not showing their hand, they are more Vaishnava than who is showing their hand. Huh? What will do? No? Anyway, Prakrito Shishya Antare Bahire Guru Darshan Koribe. Real disciples always look inside, outside. Everybody is Guru. Everybody is Guru. You know, Narottam Thakur or Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he says, Nije srashto jani uchhishtadi dane hobe obhimano bhar tai shishya tava thakiya sarboda nalaiva puja kar. Sometimes we are thinking I am a spiritual master guru. I have to keep my remnant on my plate. Because my remnant, if devotee accept it, their devotion will increase. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur and Narottam Thakur says, if you have such tendency, Nije srashto jani, uchishta dane, if you keep some remnant on my plate, because of this tendency, so distribute. Sometimes we can see Guru personally is telling that do my feet bathing and distribute my charanamrit. Sometimes I saw Guru say, sprinkling the charanamrit, there's so much crowd, everybody trying to take, sprinkling the charanamrit. Chutiye dao, chutiye dao. Then when I matching with our previous teacher instruction, Nije srashto jani uchhishtadi dane hobe obhimano bhar. When such understanding taking place in our mind, definitely false ego taking place in our mind. When our false ego, then Krishna will accept our any service. Krishna will be close to us. Never know. So where Krishna will fall, how much strong false ego we have, that much Krishna far from us. Therefore our Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Narottam Thakur explain, hobe obhimano bhar, abhiman, time, therefore, shishya tavo, always will think about, we will try to be disciple, not guru. Tai shishya tava thakiya sarvada. Sarvada means always. Always we should be disciples. Something new for you, right? Always we should be disciples in our mind. I am disciples. Mahaprabhu says, we are Gopi Bhattur Padakamala Dasho Dasa Anudasho. We are servant of the servant of the servant of the servant of gopis. That mood we have to establish. Prabhupada explained also, who is Guru? If Guru says, I am a Guru, he is not a Guru. Who is he? What is that? Guru. First level, Gu, U, means you, should be deleted. Means Goru. Goru means cow. This is not my explanation, Prabhupada's explanation. Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Therefore, you can see, always he used to address his disciples. Never say, he is my disciple, he is my disciple. He says, all are my Bipad Uddharan Bandhav, their friend, to protect me from my different danger of material world. The friend to protect me from different danger of material, or you can say from different material danger. He used to say like this. They never say, he is my shishya, he is my disciple, his disciple. Never say. But nowadays you can see all we are talking about, all are my disciples. It is wrong. According to the Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur's instruction, it is wrong. If such conception we have, that is puffed upness. I am Guru. Everybody should feed me. Before first time when I went to abroad, I was totally confused. Everybody coming with big plate and water, warm water, rose petal. Then I was asking them, why? Because of your feet bathing? Why? I am not a guru. No, you are. And who told you I am a guru? I am telling you I am not guru. Look, if you do feet bathing ceremony, what you will do? Leftover, you can take little charanamrit in my absence. Rest of the water, what you will do? Throw it away. Then I explained, think about this Kalionag. How Kalionag? He was king. No Agastha Rishi Charanamrit, he was not able to drink. So our Guru Varga was not crazy. Our Guru Varga, whatever they prescribe, there is some logic. We are not understanding, but we are apparently thinking, I am a Guru. And Shastra says, Bhakta Padarajo ar Bhakta Padajal Bhakta Bhukta Avasesho Tin Sadhaner Val. Means, feed dust of devotees. Feed bathing nectar of devotees and remnant of devotees, both, three are strength for uplifting our spiritual practice. Therefore, I am a devotee. So I have to give my charanamrit, I have to give my such understanding is hellish understanding. I never saw my Gurudev allows us. I never saw my, this Siksha Guru, whoever, Bhaktivedanta Madhava Goswami never allowed this. Never ever allowed it. But how to do that? When in a hidden manner. When they are walking, like Jharu Thakur and Kalidas. How Kalidas collect Jharu Thakur's feet dust. Jharu Thakur going back to home and Kalidas from far watching where he keep the footsteps. Then after that when he entered in his home, closed his door, then he went there, pick up all the dust. how he got Jharu Thakur's remnants. Mango leaves, mango seeds. Mango leaves, mango peel, mango leaves. It is eatable. So Kalidas intentionally brought some ripe mango for Jharu Thakur. Then he was hiding himself. When Jharu Thakur will offer his Lord the mango, definitely he will eat. After that he will put it in dustbin. Then I will collect it. Such hidden manner. That is the teachings. That teaching our previous teacher gave us. But how we are using it. Therefore, nowadays, Vaishnava teachings become misrepresentation. Therefore, what will be the Guru's attitude? That we have to also know. So anyway, প্রকৃত শিষ্য ইয়া মর্মর্মভাবে অনুভব করে সতত কৃষ্ণ গুরু কৃষ্ণ সেবাকেই জীবন করে. Real disciples realize it every steps of the life, and he make life and soul is the service of Guru and Krishna. In that way, what I said, your family for Krishna's family. You are marrying for the service of Krishna. You are making big home. Don't say, oh, I'm devotee, I don't need to home. Yeah, you have to do. Because you are going to establish Krishna's home. Krishna is the king of entire universe. So this home should be big, such a big, everybody should feel, oh yeah, nice. And if you have no desire, then you are able to manage your life, hand-to-mouth manner, then you can make a heart stay there. Both applicable. What you will do, that depends on you. Sarvadrik Prabhu, I think you have to give class now because I have to save my now. Because today is saving day, full moon day. Actually, yesterday morning it has started, but according to Vaishnava tradition, you have to observe 2 days. Therefore, I have to save my beard, and he will translate now. Then after that, I will request Subhadra will read the Tamil translation of Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta and Bhakti, my Gurudeva Jivani. Then if the time is there left over, sit and give class. Any Guru Krishna. Because this is the instruction, nectar of instruction. So let him finish the translation. So,